Dr. Sunil Richardson. I'm a facial plastic surgeon, maxillofacial surgeon from South India. So we're going to start hair transplantation for this guy. You can see the plan is to get dense follicles all across this area. He's having a lot of hair loss in this zone, also in the zone of the vertex. So we're going to plan about 1,000 follicles there and the remaining 3,000 follicles in this area to frame his face so that front area from here, the vertex gets really dense. So we're going to add a lot here, then give a single follicle on the outside, and then double and triple more dense behind. And this is the donor area. It's quite good. So we're going to harvest all the way from here, down here. You can also go and harvest a little bit in the back of the neck and use it to do it. So we're going to take about 5 hours, our team, having 6 people who will be alternating to remove the follicles, to process it, and then to place it in the slots that we prepare. So this is going to be an FUE technique, which is otherwise follicular unit extraction technique. I tend to call this technique a triple S technique. So it's safe, it's scarless, and it's sutureless. Also, there's a P to it, which is predictable, which means you can expect the results what would come. And in these kind of patients who don't have any medical issues, who have been treated before we start this, and then those that we follow up later with our cyclical therapy and PRP, we're regularly having excellent results. The best thing about this is a day care procedure. Even though, like I said earlier, it takes 5 hours, we do this only in the operating theatre setup, like how we would do another case that requires general anesthesia. We also have continuous monitoring with an anesthesiologist. Safety is of paramount importance, and that doesn't get second priority, that gets #1 priority. You would have seen our earlier videos. You would also see in this one, the patient is monitored all through. He already has an IV line, so you can see we've already got an IV line as well. All the bloods are done, COVID is being done, ECG is being done. So absolute precaution, even though it's a day care procedure, because it's a longish procedure, and therefore we want to make sure that we don't compromise on safety and absolutely no quality compromise as well. Alright, so we're going to start this. This is now, we usually start after breakfast. We have a break 2 or 3 times in between, and we kind of wind down by the early evening. Scarless, sutureless, safe, predictable technique. FUE, follicular unit extraction. What we do here is a team approach. We're going to do this in the operating theatre. Agent is that it's long acting. It makes the area numb for about 14-15 hours till about tomorrow morning. So once the procedure is done and the patient can then go home with no pain, and then we put them on pain medications that then takes over. So they eventually don't feel any pain once these blocks are given. And after these blocks, we give a lot of infiltrations. I'll show you how the infiltrations are.